say hello to the next new project. In my defense, I was left unsupervised. Was it cheap? Yes. Was it a good idea? Probably not. Does it run? Yes. Does it drive? Yes. Does it back up? No. Is the battery dead? Let's find out. Yes. I was going to show you that it ran, but it's dead, so... The interior is indeed a mess. Something was living in here. Apparently, the last time it was on the road was in 2014 when the battery wasn't dead. Yesterday, when I came and looked at this, the odometer didn't work. So I actually don't know how many miles it has on it. It's honestly not in terrible shape. It's been off the road since 2014 by the looks of it. Just getting up all into here, there's no rust. Up into the dog leg. There's rust on the left front fender, but that's normal. It's a little bit tender, needs a little bit of love, but you know how that one goes. Looks like it was hit on this side. The ball bar is a little bit f***ed up, but who cares? It expires 2014, so it was probably out before that. So I want to hear in the comments below about what you guys think I should do with this car. Should I just throw a trans in it, sell it like a normal person would? Or do I go a little bit crazy and twin turbo it? Also, let me know what you think I should call this guy. And as always, see you next time.
Hi, puppy. Hi.